My view on EU? Can you show your setup while you're on IG? Like my training setup, or what are you talking about? What do you want to see, brother? What setup are you talking about? Are you talking about my training setup, or are you talking about like my charts? What setup? I'm sorry, just clarify. Hey, I use some of your art posts for my personal use. Will you mind? They're great. No, man, go ahead. Alright, boys. Let's get it popping. Come to Iran. Fibonacci A. Oh, my monitors? And monitors? Wait, what are you talking about, bro? Higher highs made on golden years you went to catch lower highs. That could be a thing, yeah. Maybe. Made on golden years you went to catch lower highs. Let me send this over here to the chat. Oh, we should get this going. And we are live. Good to go. Yo, yo, yo. Good morning, guys. How's everybody doing, man? Alright, guys. So, the setup. You guys want to go over my setup right here? Here's my setup. So, I got this nice little mouse pad right here. We have a nice little mouse. Amazon is like 15 bucks. I got this. Is like 15 bucks as well. Then I have my monitor right here. This one's like 250, I think, on Amazon. Then I have my mic. This one's like 50 bucks. And then I have my laptop, which is connected to this. And that's it. And then I have my laptop stand, which is also a charger. So I charge my phone right there. My YouTube is called Smart Money Pedigree. But alright, guys, I'm gonna head out of here. I went to apartment soon. I want ideas for my desk setup. I got you, man. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna head, and then over here to the left, when I used to play video games, I have my PS4 there, and I have my, I wish I could show you here with light, but I guess I can't. But I have basically another desk here, you know, but whatever. But alright, guys, I'm gonna head out of here. I'm gonna go live with people on YouTube. Hop on YouTube. The YouTube is going to be Smart Money Pedigree YouTube. That's the YouTube, right, guys? Hop in, and I'm gonna be out of here in a second. My YouTube people, we're about to trade. Just give me a second, and we'll get this going, right? Give me 1 second. What do you think about FMC? There's set up a supply order block on NCGI is valid. Hop out. Hop in YouTube, homies. I'll see you guys in a bit, alright? Money Pedigree YouTube. We're about to go live right now. Peace. Alright, guys, what's good? For my YouTube people, how's everybody doing, man? How's everybody cracking? What's goody? Let's get this going, bros. So, your FMC Poi was spot on. Let's get it, bro. I appreciate that, man. Let's see what's good over here. You know, interesting model that we had today. I was trying to catch this buy for a friend that wanted to get their account back to break even. So I need a trade today. You know, somebody has an account and they want to get that to break even. But look at what we have here. So what do you guys think this is right here? For the people that are watching here, SMC traders, what do you guys think this is right here? Give me answers in the bottom, and then we'll get to today's trading. But what do you guys think is printed right here with US 500? What does this look like to you guys? Right? What do you guys think? Give me some answers here. You know, let's see if you guys market maker and fake or rebalance divergence. Rebalance. Internal liquidity. Only one person has gotten it right. Who can that be? Accumulation. Buy side. Okay. 3-drive pattern. 3-drive pattern. Oh, wow, look at that. That's not correct. That's not wrong either. 3 drives. Liquidity, 3-drive pattern. Okay. Well, I'll tell you guys what I see. You know, this is the beauty of trading. What I see here maybe Thursday sell and smart money bought. Yes, that could be it too. So take a look at what's happening over here to the left, right? Take a look at this. So what do you guys think is happening here to the left right here? If you just put a rectangle here and you just drag this forward, right? This is a favorite trader's classic head and shoulders for one, right? We have our right shoulder, our left shoulder, we have our head, and we have our right shoulder. That's one. For two, this is classic, fake out. So we had a fake out to the top, and now this is going to be used as resistance, right? That's what they think. That's what they have ideas from. That's the ideology taught here, correct? So that's that. That's how I saw it first. And then the second step that I saw here, if you guys take a look at this, what do we have right here? So we have original accumulation, right? Original consolidation, sorry. We have that reaccumulation right here. Boom. We have that reaccumulation. And then what does price do? Smart money reversal, right? We failed to make a swing high, a swing low point. So here we have our first accumulation to the upside. Here we have that second reaccumulation. And then now price has completed the market maker buy model right here. And this was all through Asian session, right? And that's what I saw. And of course, this is you can count this as a 3 drive patterns, but what I saw happening here was actually a market maker buy model, right? Where we have the 1, 2, 3 step process. We have 1, 2, 3, and then we have prices shooting up above to grab all that liquidity. Pretty clean, right? What do you guys think as far as, how you guys see the market there? Could you guys see it? Do you guys think I'm right or wrong? What do you guys think? I think it was pretty clean to be spotting that right there. It made sense to me. But I'd love to have ideas of what you guys think. Do you guys see it? Pretty clean. I thought it was pretty nice. You have nice imbalances here that we filled. Goes up higher. We have a nice imbalance here that we're in as well. But you guys know the time frame. We're not supposed to be trading. We're not supposed to be trading index pairs. Somebody just said check EU out with a question mark. That's not very nice, Terry. Why are you giving me a question mark, bro? It's just like am I like demanded to look at EU? I don't have to look at EU. But you know what, Terry? I'm gonna look at EU for you because that's what we're gonna be trading. So I got you. We'll be looking at EU. So looking at DXY, that lowest swing low also taps into an OB to the left. I got you. So let's take a look at DXY. So dollar is fairly bullish, bro. Dollar's, it's a I don't know, man. Again, today happens the same thing with me not knowing if I want to catch a retracement or what we think price would do, but for now, smaller time frames, it looks like we are shifting. So we are breaking out of some important levels here. Because if you look to right here, what is this? Right here, we had a nice imbalance that we have respected. We've kind of broken it now. Right here, when we tapped into this, and it looks like now price might drop lower, but we're still at it, and if you look right here, we also have a nice breaker candle right here. This last down close candle that has led. When you're looking at breaker candles, ICT covers this as well. It's not just this. It's the last candle that's compounded of that drop down. So this candlestick is better as a breaker. Price can be looking to go higher. So, I'm gonna have that in mind now heading into this London time frame. Looking at price right here. Again, I don't see us why we would be looking to sell dollar. We have imbalances here that we're filling. Price looks like it just made a new POI right here. So a new fair value gap, and it looks like now we just might start going higher heading into this London session. So taking note of that. And now taking note of that into EU and GU, which is the price that we're going to be trading. Let's see what we can see from a contrary standpoint. So looking at the 60-minute here, interesting concept what we covered yesterday, right? Look how we had this buy side here, it grabs that, and then look at the amount that we have heading into New York session. So taking a look over here at what's happening with the H1, again, same concept, looking at the H4, fair value gap, looks like we're mitigating that. we can definitely be looking at short price heading into this London session. Again, we're not in the game to pick tops and bottoms, right? So we can be looking at short this for sure. That's H4. Let's drop down to the H1 now. What is the H1 telling us? Kind of we can tweak that to this right here. H1 and H1 for value gap right here. Right, what is or where is our midnight opening price? And it looks like we have gone higher for that midnight opening price, right? So looking at this H0.00, here's our midnight opening price, which means that we are now making that power of 3, right? So we are accumulating for the shorts. It's what it seems that price is doing here. That's what it seems that price is doing, right? We accumulated for the shorts. Price has expanded to the upside. So we have gotten that initial run above now. That can be accumulating here, and then now we can be distributing heading into that New York open, where we will then manipulate again at the 8:30 opening price, and the price will drop lower, right? That's what it looks like we're getting here with the buying time frames. So it's lagging again? No way, bro. Fuck. Alright, give me a second here. I see it, guys. Give me a second here. Let me see what I can do. Damn, bro. I hate when it lags. I'm sorry about that. Maybe it's my fucking America's card room here. Could this be this that's making it lag? I don't know why it's lagging, guys. I really apologize for this. No, I'm really looking to take a trade right now, and this sucks that it's doing this time. How is it still lagging now? Is it still lagging, guys? Fucking hell, bro. And EU is about to give us a setup too. There's no way, bro. There's no way it happens to us, right? Bro, look at EU Mel. I'm trying to get in this and it's lagging. Need some stronger upload? I do, bro. I'm in a fucking laptop, man. I only started lagging like 3 minutes ago. Still lagging? Still lagging, boys? Still lagging? Fuck, alright. I'm gonna reset the stream, alright? Give me a second. Fuck me, bro. I don't know why my computer is being, or my laptop is being so dumb right now. What is that shit? 1 second, guys. I can't even see what you guys are telling me, to be honest. If you guys are telling me anything. Let me see. Damn, this shit is not looking great. Are we good now, guys? It's all good? Are we good? Hopefully we're good. Let me know if we're good. I feel like we're good, right? I think so. All right, fire. Beautiful. All right, so EU, it should melt. We are dropping, but we'll see what price wants to do here. Price should continue dropping here, but again, I want to be looking for a better entry here. If you want to have a risk entry, like if you're a risk trader, you could have a bigger stop. Like you could be targeting stuff like that. 21 pips is not worth it though, right? Like you have a 2 to 1 for that. That's not great. So I would rather have a bigger type of, this is already your formation that you're looking at. So you already have your first initial run below. This is great to see as shorts that we want to be looking to short EU. But now we want to be looking at smaller time frames, like what is price hinting towards us? And it's just looking fairly oversold right now. So I don't know if we're gonna get an entry here, but we do want to be shorting, so this kind of sucks. Again, we're above that new opening price right here. The fat ass mount, right? God damn, boys. Price should continue going though. It should. And we also just hit that 3 a.m. open, which is interesting. I'm in from the top side of the FVG 1.012. Nice, man. I love that. So, looking at smaller time frames here, if you look at this was a mitigation from a smaller time frame FVG right here, right? So if you look here at the M2, you can see how we have an FVG here. M3, do we have anything here? We also have FVG here, which we completely mitigated. So, looking at the M3, you can see how price does come in fact, and it does hit this FVG right here. And it taps into this order block that you have marked off right there, right? So that's context for looking for that short. And this happened at 2:30. I think I'm gonna have to start going live a little bit earlier, because EU is tending to move now like at 2:30ishly. This was context right here. We had the nice FVG. We could drop down small time frames here. Price starts breaking out of this swing low points. These swing low points right here. Drops down right here. Break structure. New FVG retest right here. Pretty clean right there. And price drops down. Gives you a new FVG. We're probably looking for price to come back up to this area because this is your last breaker candle. So anticipate price to come back up to here, and then we're looking to see what price does from that D range high to this D range low. But I do anticipate price going lower now, so we'll see what price does. Let's take a look up here at small time frames. So M5, what do we have for the M5 here? So M5, we have a new FVG being formed here. If this price comes back up here, and it gives me some formations in the M1, I will use this as a POI, right? So this can be a POI we have focus on. This could be a POI where we're looking for price to give us something if price does come back up to that area. Looking up here though, this is my original side where I would like price to come back up towards right here. And from here I'll be monitoring price if it wants to, it just looks like we're dropping out to this New York midnight, which is unfortunate. What can we do? Looking at GU, interesting price action that we have for GU because GU is not dropping. Right, so what is price doing here for GU? M30 not much, M16 not much, M15 not much. We have a fair value gap here with GU and M16. Looks like price is coming back up to grab some liquidity above that. So not enough context to be looking to short GU just yet. Looking at the M5, M4, and just looks like GU is going for all that manipulation above. Let me see if we have any remaining imbalances here that we could grab for GU. Nothing, right? So it just looks like price is coming to grab all the buy orders above here. What about M1? No real fair value gap here. So GU is just looking like it's manipulating price. That's what it looks like. So I'm going to keep monitoring GU as well, because once we have grabbed this buy side liquidity up here, price can be looking to start shorting, having note of what's going on with DXY and what's going on with dollar. So we're going to take note of that as well with GU. Once we get some context, we can start looking at short GU here. If price gives us something too short, for now, we're not going to be shorting it. But if we get context to short it, we'll be looking to short it. You know what I mean? So what I'm essentially waiting for is a type of fair value gap here, right? Something that gives me a hint that price wants to drop lower with EU. And when it does that, then I'll be looking to trade that with GU, sorry. I'll be looking to get on that sell. And we can take it even back down to these lows right here, which were printed through Asia. So these lows right here, should get swept if we do have formations here that give us hints that we can be targeting that. So we'll stay compound of that. Looks like we had a small sweep up here as well. So small sweep of liquidity. We'll see again what price wants to do, if it wants to continue going or if you want to now start dropping. But we're waiting for some type of structural break here. If we're looking at our legs of structure and we're looking at the ranges that we're in, you know, it's not really compounded or anything yet because we still have this range low right here and we have the range high up here. So we would like to see new structure being formed here so we can be looking at short price with GU. As far as it now goes right now, we don't really have much context for that. So EU now going up higher, you know, broke out of that M1 for value that we had our eyes on. Let's see now if we want to mitigate this M5, right? So let's look at price over here now. It's gonna be very important heading to price action now. Come back up to this range high that we are analyzing for EU as well, right? This is gonna be interesting to take note of. And we want to see what price can do or what it can deliver from this range with this M5 for value gap that we have our eyes on as well, with this POI that we already had eyes on. So if you're a risk trader, you can take this. You know, it's not a bad trade. But since I'm not a risk trader, I would wait for more confirmations heading into this level. You know, I need to see something more on the M1 at least that gives me hints from that, and then I can be looking actually short EU heading forward. But if you are a risk trader and you want to short this, your trade will be something like this, right? You will have your stops here. You can have your stops either above here or above here. You know, I would probably have my stops right here. And you can be targeting some lows. So the lows can be anywhere above here to here. That would be a nice little 3 to 1 if you're looking at a trade like that, right? You do have this POI here. You do have price going up higher. So you do have context to short it, you know, but again, I would want price to go up at least a little bit higher here. You know, if it comes back up to this range above here and I get some more context to short it from, then I'll be happier to trade it. So I'll be looking more at the 0.25 to capitalize from. And then I'll be looking to short it from that price leading forward. So, you know, we'll see what price wants to do. But the trade can be something like this. And then we're looking at Asian highs and lows. We have a lot of sell side liquidity, or buy side, sorry, still pinning out here. So that could be your target for sure. This is the part though of being patient, right? So this is just analysis. Don't take the trade. Wait for price to show you the PA, guys. Don't wait. Don't take the trade now, right? Wait for something to tell you that price wants to go lower. We need to see some type of rejection at this value gap and then wait for FVG to happen. Once that does happen, we can take that sell with ease. But if it does not happen, we're not taking that trade, guys. Simple as that. Be patient. But let's actually delete this because I don't want to confuse you guys. I'm going to wait for price to come back up here and then we can wait and see what price wants to deliver for us. Yo, everybody that's here on my YouTube channel, go like my last reel, bro. That was the last trade that we caught on YouTube. Like it up, man. Like it up on my Instagram, bro. Show some love to the homie. GU is flying. That's interesting to take note of as well. GU is fucking going, man. Well, EU, you little sneaky, huh? So let me see what you guys are saying over here. Someone shorting EU? Not yet. I'm in from the top side of FVG 1.02. If you're from the top side, you're cruising, man. What about the FVG above, sir? Which one? The EU 15 minute FVG, sir, at 1.15109. You lost me. M5, can you please just give me a brief definition of what you mean by POI, please? Point of interest. So it's just like an area that we're looking at to see some rejections, and then we want to see about what price does through there. You know, depending on what the POI is. The POI can be anything from an order block, a fair value gap, a breaker, SMC, ideology, the ICT teachers. So we did tap into M5VG briefly, not enough, but briefly. GU tapped into buy side liquidity. Let's take a look at that. GU is still fairly stuck. Nothing real contexty where I can be looking to trade from just yet. And not even an M1 fair value gap. You know, so not a trade that I'm interested in just yet. If it does give me an M1 fair value gap here, then I can take that. But as long as it's not giving me that, then we won't be looking to trade from that. You know, because we have broken, we're yet to break even out of a swing low point, so just kidding. Even on the M1, we don't really have a swing low point yet. If you guys take a look at the last swing low point, it'll be something like this. Here we have low, high, low. Once we break this, and if this does become a fair value gap, then maybe we could be looking to sell that. But if we're not breaking this, then that's not a trade that I'm interested in. I'm telling you guys, bro, it's all about patience in these markets. Markets, patience. Patience, patience. You know, Alex dropped a very good video on, will you give us entries as well? Of course, man. Of course I'll give you guys entries. Oh, you were saying Alex dropped a good video. Yeah, Alex dropped a good video about what price is, about what we do as traders, right? How we are surfers, right? And I'll share that video with you guys. How what we do with trading is like surfing, right? And when we are surfing, you know, we always have our equipment, right? And we want to go catch that wave, and we're always going to try to catch that wave. And what we want to do is we want to be riding the wave, whether we're in a bull trend, we want to be riding that wave to the buy side, right? Going for that buy side liquidity. If we're in a bearish trend, you want to be riding that wave, going for the sell side liquidity, which is what we're doing with USD. You know, we're setting, we want to be going for that sell side liquidity. But sometimes the market is not going to be trendy, or it's not going to present opportunities, and that's going to be the days when, you know, surfers will go to the waves and there will just be no waves. So for that time, you just can't trade. You know, and of course the market is trending now for EU. It is looking clean, and I think we might get a sell today, but it's not giving us enough context yet, at least for me, to be taking this sell. You know, I need more confirmations here for price to give me some type of displacement above at that 0.25% at least, for price to continue dropping. But price is looking good, right? It does hit this POI, broke structure. It's giving us context to sell it, but not enough for me, right? So looking at GU now, equal highs, suspect here, but we did break out the swing low point. So we can be looking for some type of sells here looking forward. You know, just don't like the way that it printed these two highs, but it is looking good. You know, we did break, take sell side liquidity. M4 is looking fine, M3 is looking good, M2 is looking good, and M1 is looking the best. So here we have that fair value gap. If price does come back above that, we can take a short trade here, and we can be looking to monitor price heading into that lower time frame. I just really don't like, you know, if you guys are taking this trade with me, I would take a small risk just because of these equal highs that are above right here. This could definitely be targeted. You know, this could definitely be targeted as liquidity. So I don't know if we can get that. But price is looking all right. You know, we broke out a structure. I don't know if we'll get that trade back above that. Price is looking fairly bearish now. Interesting to take note of that as well. What does price mitigate up here? That's what I'm wondering here. This could be a second chart mitigation, because I don't really see much here that we mitigated up here. You know, everything was pretty much taken. Interesting, man. Looks like price is just gonna go. Looks like price is just going to go, guys. We're not gonna get any trade here. It happens. It happens to the best of us. Why is what not enough, brother? Drop to 30 seconds? I don't have it. Bum 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 bum. Damn, look at that GU mount. Fat ass mount, boys. It's definitely going for that source of liquidity. Ooh. I took a short scalp on GJ. I already got out of it. It was a quick scalp. But you know, it is what it is, man. It's fortunate enough. The confirmations were met. You're talking about for EU? I guess they were, right? I guess this was my bad. But what I want to see more of when I'm taking some trades, I want to see more of an M1 POI rejection. So I want price to go up a little bit higher to fill this FVG, and then I want to see this. So this is good. You know, price drops down here, breaks structure, and gives you a fair value gap right here. So this wasn't a bad trade right here, but you know, I would have loved to seen this, to have this trade happening when price was above right here. So again, it's just things that I guess are pet peeves, or not really pet peeves, but just things that, you know, I've been training for a while now, so I know what to look for and what to stay away from majority of the time. So it's all about patience. You know, again, I don't need to trade every day. If I don't see what I need to see, I won't take the trade. You know, it's like my trade or nothing. So even if price just briefly taps this, you know, it is what it is. How did EU break structure here? You mean, what are you talking about? Here or here? Which one are you talking about? You talking about this entire range, or which one are you talking about? Talk to me about what price you're talking about, so I can try to fix it for you and tell you what I meant by that. But you know, price can still come up, so we're not done yet. Price can still come up. I just feel like it's gonna come down and grab our Asian liquidity now. So it seems like price is gonna do just that for now. So this is the range that we were looking at. It sucks that it's gonna grab that when we didn't take that trade, but it happens, guys. It really does. It really does happen. It really does happen. The trade that was missed, well, we didn't take it. We didn't take the trade. You know, it wasn't missed. It wasn't missed for me. It might have been missed for you, but that wasn't my trade. So I don't mind not taking it at all. You know what I mean? Let's go. What's good, Terry? You took it? You guys took this out? If you guys took it, you guys are little risky traders, huh? I mean, I did cover you guys had to take it if you're a risky trader, but there's no way I was going to take that. So you guys do your own due diligence. If you feel like this was a good value gap for you, I'm happy you guys took it. Not for me. Not enough for me. No, I didn't take that. Damn, man. And S&P long, do you see us pushing for the higher time from FVG above? I don't trade S&P right now, bro, and I would recommend you to not trade it either. So be careful with that. Yo, look at that GJ melt and then that liquidity grab above. That's wild. People got clap city there. Man, I feel frustrated when I get direction right but not entry yet, but I know I gotta stay true to my plan. Bro, it happens, man. I'm telling you. telling you guys, bro, I've been trading for a while, man. Even if you don't trade, you don't have to trade every day. Sometimes it's not gonna be the cleanest. Just don't trade it, guys. Just wait. Just wait for confirmations that the price tells you what it wants to do. You know, but stick to your plan. Like, you know, in previous days, this would have been a good trade. I would have taken this all the time. You know, we have H1 POI, M5 fair value gap, entry, beautiful right there. You could definitely take that right here, stops above, and take the lows right here. Beautiful trade for the day. You'll be good to go. You can be a break even now. You're set. Now I need to see double confirmation. So POI, break in the M1, mitigate it, and then drop down lower. So we didn't get that. That's what we need to see. But you know, it's the same thing. You know, price is fractal. When you have an M5 POI, I would have accumulated. You could use that because we already hit that H1 POI. You know what I mean? So price is doing the same thing. When I'm looking for POIs, I want to be dropping down every time frame. So I have the H1, I have the M15, I have the M5, I have the M1. So this is my last POI that I had my eyes on, which was the M5. I needed the M1, which we didn't quite get. You know what I mean? But you could have still taken it. Because price just goes through like blocks. Can price hit the London high in New York and attack the PDL? Previous day lows? Is that what you're telling me? I feel like we're just gonna continue dropping, right? Like we're not in a bull trend, guys. You know, EU is bearish, GU is bearish, everything is bearish. So why be looking to trade from that? Though we did take out of the sell side liquidity for GU. What does price want to do, right? You know, what did we do for Asian session? So price is still bearish for GU, right? We still have these lows to worry about. Asian session lows that we have yet to take. So I would focus on these lows right here. This is my POI that I have interest on with GU. Now, looking at, you know, what price is going, pushing up higher. Again, the context that we're looking at this is that we have this equal highs here that are really risky to take from. So does price want to target that? Maybe. But we also have now a fair value gap here on M5. So this could be used as a POI where we have context. We need to see what price delivers for us moving forward. We're looking at this now with the 50%. We can be marking that off like this. So price is now just hitting the 50%. Does price want to go lower? I don't know. Let's see. Price is looking fairly bullish, and I feel like we're just gonna come back up to grab this. You know, that's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. I think that this fair value gap will not stand just because the way that we sweep these lows right here. We had a nice sweep, and price is looking fairly bullish now to take the highs above. That's what it's looking like to me. But let's see. Now it's just about monitoring price and being patient, right? This is the part of being patient, guys. Promise you guys, bro. Patience comes a long way, man. Take a step at a time. GJ short, sir? Don't trade GJ right now. I'm only trading EU and GU. Another thing, guys, when you have these Instagram gurus trading like 10, 4, 20, 4x pairs, bro, it's not gonna help. Stick to 1 to 2 pairs max. And if also to me, I would only trade 1 pair. And that's exactly what I do in New York. I only trade S&P. What about the GU short for what? You guys are confusing me with your questions, man. What do you about the GU short? We're waiting for price to give us something, right? Price is above now the M5 POI. I feel like price is gonna target these highs up here. That's what it's looking like price is gonna do, right? Now, are we gonna take any trade to target that? No, because we don't know what price wants to do. Because we also have imbalances here, but this is what it's looking like price is gonna do, target these highs up here, you know? Now we want to wait and see what price delivers for us. We broke out of this rally gap as well, so all of these rally gaps are now broken. Price is looking fairly bullish now to come back above and take the highs that are resting up here. That's what it's looking like price is going to do for now. So have your eyes on this area. Once we take that, what does price do? Does it continue going higher to take this? Or do we get again a new shift like we got here, and then price can go lower? We did grab these levels here. Right, this was good. It would have been beautiful if price would have dropped down here and it would have hit this order block earlier. That's another thing, Take note of when price does break structure, because right here we broke structure, right? When you have that initial run up below, you can take that POI right there. But once price drops down and grabs all that sell side, this POI is no longer valid. So a good example of this, stuff that I can show you guys would be like S&P, right? I think I showed you guys this yesterday, but I don't remember, so we're gonna go over it again. So take a look at S&P down here, right? And let's take a look at what we got. I believe it was Friday, right? So was it Friday? I'm not sure when it was. Let me go back and try to find that pair for you guys. It wasn't here, no. Let's go down lower. Or was it? I'm so lost now. Give me a second. I gotta find my trade on the students on my chat so I can remember, because I'm like blindsided right now. I can't find it. Give me a second. So I'm trying to find that route. Hold on. So it was last week the 1st, right? Try to find this real quick for you guys. If you guys see anything happening like GU, what I want to see, please let me know. Please update me, because I'm looking at that. So, all right, take a look at this. So right here, right, this is Friday the 1st right here. This is the trade that I'm talking to you guys about right here. So if you guys take a look at this, right, and you guys take a look at what price is doing here. And again, the lesson is when you have that initial run below, yes, you can trade from that. But after price grabs that liquidity, then you want to be using that as a POI, because price can just shift on you. It doesn't necessarily have to not respect that imbalance. That can be a target that SMC is looking to grab. So if you look at this range high right here, and if you're looking at this range lows that we created over here, looking at the structure point, you have lows here, right? Sell side here, and you have sell side here as well. GU tapping into local highs now? Shit. Okay, that's interesting. We're definitely going to rate that. That's definitely not going to stand. That's not going to stand at all. So we are making now an M5 FVG. We can take a look into that, because we are making some type of model here, or we can be targeting these highs up here for sure. So if price drops lower here, it's more of a riskier trade, but you can definitely be targeting these highs. These guys are definitely going to get taken. I mean, it's just inevitable for these highs to get taken. They shouldn't hold, especially when we're making this type of model right here. Price might just tap into this and then shoot it back above. So you can be looking to capitalize here. If we close with this rally gap here, we can be looking to take these highs for sure. But we need to see this rally gap hold first, right? If it doesn't hold, then we can't take it. But it should. It should. So if we're looking to take this trade, again, we're waiting for price to basically close here, drop back down to this FVG, and you would have something like, depending on the risk, hold, not yet. Not holding as of yet. Patience, right? Let's wait and see if we can get that M5 to hold. 24 seconds to go. $15 seconds to go. So now, right? So now let's take a look at what price is doing here. So what are we getting with price, right? Let's take a note of this. Right here, we got this sell side, right? Sell side liquidity. Fair value gap here, be informed now. So now, yes, you can take this as entry, but what you want to see now is price giving you some context here on the M1. Well, guess we're not going to get that. But we wanted the price to drop down into this M1 and then give us context for price to continue going higher. I don't know if we're going to get that. It seems that we're not going to get that, unfortunately. That sucks. But what we wanted to see is price basically drop down here, right? Break structure. And then from this POI, we can be looking along price back up here. That's where price should go. Now, if you're looking to take a trade here, you know, in this M1, you could have anywhere between, if you're a riskier trader, you could have this and you could be targeting the lows right here. And you could have TP above here. That'll be a nice little 3-to-1. So I don't mind this trade here. If you're a riskier trader, you could have this because you have this FVG here as well, right? You have that. And you also have the candlestick that made the FVG. So this isn't bad. And you're sitting below at another FVG down here, right? So this is context to be looking for that long as well. Now would price drop back down to here? It doesn't seem like it. Why? Because we have this FVG right here that smart money is going to be, or retail traders might be looking to trade from this, or retail traders that don't have concepts on what price is doing. So what price can do now is probably just take these highs. That's what it seems like it's going to do now. You know, but if price does manage to come back down here, you can definitely take this trade right here. And you can have your stops. I'll take it below right here. Be a nice little 2.50 to 1. And you can target these highs above. So let's see what price does moving forward. Shit. Man, I hate that, bro. How annoying. You know, again, now this is a part of just being disciplined. I know it hurts, guys. I know it hurts that we can call the right moves and see it happening and we can't see the trade. I know it hurts. But what can we do, guys? I know it's hurting you inside and you just want to pull that trigger. And you are telling yourself, fuck, why didn't I take it? I saw it. But what are you going to do, bro? If it drops down lower, I mean, fucking drop 30 lots on this buys if it drops down lower here. Because these highs are not going to hold. So I wish it drops down lower. Because I'll be on this bad boy right here. This is where you can take a riskier entry if price drops down lower here. I just don't see it happening, to be honest. We're definitely going to take the highs now. You know, low resistance liquidity and high, no, low resistance liquidity run and high resistance liquidity run. If so, what's your standing on it? Well, what do you mean by that? You know, like what do you mean? My standing on it? Like, what does it mean, or what are you referring to? Oh, guys, this is looking like Candyland to me right here. Let me tell you, this is looking like Candyland right here. I see some dollar bills up here, some cha-chings right here, guys. I mean, it's just, look at this bad boys right here. This is just, wow, beautiful for me. Should be like beautiful for you too as well. I just see dollar bills getting printed up here, at like infinity dollar bills over here. Just cha-chings up here. You know, there's no cha-ching sound. That's what I hear. Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. That's what I hear up here. I've been transitioning to S&P from US 30 and it's been so much cleaner. Never realized how much more manipulated US 30 is. So I told you guys, bro. Didn't I tell you that US 30 is manipulated? I fucking told you, man. Would you consider that a bearish order block which you just stepped into? No, because of the way that we're going up now and the highs that we left above. Is that 2 OBs back to back in the 1 minute? Yes, well, it is. I think so. Come on, bro. Drop down, please. Just a little bit. You know you want to. Yes. Yes, my brother. Bro, what makes an FVG invalid? Are things. One, mitigation. Two, equal highs. So you don't want to trade from that. And what else? What else? What else? I guess that is it, right? Mitigation, equal highs. I'm trying to think. When we mitigate, that's it. It's already invalid. When we tap the 50% and we are below that, that makes it invalid. So majority of the time, you want to see just the 50% tapped into, and then price go higher from that. If we break that, majority of the time it's invalid. Brother, in GU, you mind telling us why we used that 1.19475? The price is still in premium. We haven't used it yet. You taking this GU buy? Hell yeah. If it taps into it. But I want to see price give me something else, like a little bit more of a rejection. Like I'm not just gonna, I don't have a buy limit there. I need to see rejections first. If I see something, then I'll take it. We did mitigate this M1 here. Let's look at the M2 here. What are we getting? A little bit suspect just because realistically speaking, with this FVG, we have to have stop losses like very deep. So stop losses to be like down here. That's the part that sucks, But of course, this is a little bit of a riskier trade. Price should go higher now, but it's just like, shit, man. Shit. I like this rejection that we're getting though, below it. Price can induce and then just drop down lower here. I'm a fan. Don't you dare just go up and take the highs now, right? Don't you dare. Who's gonna take this GU buy with me, guys? If it gives us a setup, who's gonna take it? You guys gonna take it? Are you guys gonna have the bolas to take it or what? We got the M5 FBG just chilling there waiting for us. It's about to tap into it right now. Is anybody gonna take it with me or what? Oh, nothing yet. We need to see rejections. We haven't tapped into M5 just yet either. We just tapped into M5. No rejections. Wait and see what price does. No rejections. Don't take it. No rejections. You can take it. You guys can take it. Stop loss right here, 1.19432. I'm in it. 432. 19432. Go. I mean, it's just a 10 VG, 10 lot. You guys are funny, man. Let's go. Come on. Don't come back down. Just hit the take profit right there. So we're looking for 1.196629 as take profit. That's what we're targeting. Oh, not looking great, guys. We got that rejection, but price is dropping down lower now. Not looking great at all. I don't like it. I'm getting scared now. This is the name of the game if we get stopped out. Hopefully we don't. We're tapped into M5 still though. So we're still respecting the M5. That's what I'm having my eyes on here. The M5 FVG that we're looking at. I have this on my phone. I'm looking at that as well right now. And seeing what price delivers through the M5 FVG. Oh, gee, you little sneaky, huh? You little sneaky mates. Hey. Never mind. Don't celebrate too early. That's a lesson. Fuck. There you go, young lad. You got it. Show us that GU power. Why are you doing this? Guys, I hate Forex pairs. You know, I'm gonna repeat this every time that I take trades to you guys. I hate Forex pairs. This does not happen with index pairs. This does not happen with my second girlfriend, which is S&P. I would be in take profit to the moon already, bro. I'm running 0.50%. In percentage, 0.50%. So $500. Fuck. Come on, G. Why are you doing me like this, bro? Oh, that's looking good, guys. You can probably get out of that. It's looking like it's going for sell side. Dropping down. Below that M5. Is it gonna hold the M5 lows? I'm looking great right now, guys. This might be a stop loss. It's looking like it. We looked good for a second there, right? We looked good for a second there. Those equal lows, though, the equal highs are just calling my name. I don't know. Suspecty, to be honest. Those equal highs are very suspecty. Well, that didn't work out. It happens. Let's see what we got here moving forward. You know, I was looking at this M5. That's what I really had focus on right here. That was the purpose of this trade. We had initial rejection above that, and then now prices dropped down to grab a lot of liquidity. So I don't know. You know, I can still see price going higher to grab all that buy side, but it's looking like we don't want to do that just yet. So let's see. Let's see. We're attacking that order block as well right here in this M1. That's context as well. We're filling that last rally gap, that it can fit this last rally gap, and then from here we can have context here looking forward. I will use this as POIs though, right? I'm not using these anymore as entries. I'm using these as POIs now to see what price wants to deliver moving forward. So no longer entries, just POIs here, seeing if we want to go up higher from these areas. It's going to the mud. You guys think so, bro? The dollar is fairly bullish, right? Oh shit, why am I looking at this? No way, what is this? Oh, this is another pair that we're looking at right here. The M1. What is this? I don't even remember seeing this. Price has not managed to go back up there. I guess, you know, maybe that initial rejection, once we do take these highs a little bit, price does drop lower, it gives you that fair value gap here. But not enough context for me to be content with the sell. You know, I like to buy here with the M5. Was the FVG in a premium slash discount? It was in a premium. But I was looking to sell a premium because of the highs here. You know, I wanted the price to come back above these highs, which we didn't. But I guess the sell made sense too, but you know, a little bit of both worlds. Best of both worlds, I guess. Even though this is GU. You're the 79%. Targeting Asian lows. Price could definitely continue dropping, yeah, for sure. It's looking like it now. It's looking like we're gonna grab all those stops now for sure. Nice setup, but you took your buy order to the mud. I'm fucking sorry, guys. It's gonna happen sometimes, bro. We're not gonna be profitable all the time. It happens, bro. What do you guys want me to do? I'm a trader just like you guys, you know? I'm so sorry, brother, that you took that to the mud. Bum, 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 bum. Your first time joining the live? Welcome, brother. I'm sorry that it was your first time joining the live and we took a loss for you. Sorry about that, bro. Feel bad. We'll get it back though, I promise. It's part of the business, yes it is. You said it best, homie. It's part of the business. You know, you're definitely going to take these lows over here. That's what it seems like we're going to do. And G should continue dropping now, especially with this bearish engulfing that we have here. I feel like price might come back up and target the I feel like price might come back up now and target that buy side now, you know? It might get back to target the buys now. Now that we have taken some sell side. Right, that might be the case now. But again, just being patient now and see what price was delivered. But that could be a call now, price going up higher. It seems like that might be the case. Because these highs, again, these highs up here just so, you know, they should get grabbed. They should get grabbed. You know, price does come back down to a significant level, and looks like we're rejecting out of that as well. So we are rejecting out of this fair value gap right here. Well, never mind about that. Never mind about that. It's hard to make a call. How do you get the eye on the chart? What do you mean? How do I get the eye on the chart? What eye on what chart? You're looking for higher time frame first before you go to lower time frame? Yes, correct. I see GU taking these highs, guys. Honestly, I see these highs getting taken. I see them getting taken, bro. We will come back down now to grab all the liquidity. We want to see if we can deliver some type of value gap here, but I see these highs getting taken. That is what I see happening. That is my analysis for now. But we will see, you know, we will see. We don't know yet. Price is hitting that M3 FVG as well, so we are hitting this right here. Interesting to take note of as well right here. Tell them it's a mitigation block. For what? For what pair? Why we're tapping into a mitigation block, brother? We're acting off 1 hour FVG for what pair? Price is just fucking stuck now, to be honest. Price is just big stuck. Personally, now sell is nice, man. Price is big stuck. Big stuck. Price is everything out the 1 hour FVG on GU. So what do you guys think for GU? Are we gonna sell or are we gonna buy? Do you guys think we're gonna continue dropping? Or what? What's your guys' outlook on it? Peep S&P real quick. I don't trade S&P on London session. Buys that buy side can't stand. I feel so too, right? I feel that buy side can't stand either, man. But we'll see we're right. We'll see if we are right, my brother. I see some type of information though. As long as I'm not getting information, I can't take it. And I see some type of information here that shows me that price wants to go higher. If not, no chance. Come on, GU. How annoying is this shit being stuck the way it is? On a scale of 1 to 10. Probably like a fucking 20, bro. I hate when players get stuck like this. This is so annoying to me. Like, move, bro. Why are you stuck? These guys went for equal lows. Melting. I mean, no entry, guys. Money looks so bullish. Why don't you do a giveaway with one person wants to join your legend live? Buying with all. Yeah, it was extreme. I don't know how people trade currency pairs. Lol. Facts, man. You guys are nuts for trading this shit. You guys be big tripping for trading these forex currency pairs, man. I don't understand, boys. Je ne comprehend. We're taking now a lot of sell side again. More sell side to get taken here. Shit's big stuck, man. There we go. We should be going higher. Yeah, we should. Hopefully, right? Never mind. No bueno, right? No bueno. Well, that's bueno. That's better bueno. Was good, Crips. Here we go, baby. Go, go, go. Guys, we're looking at G. I'm trying to take this buy. I'm trying to catch that buy side, bro. You guys aren't trying to catch this buy? This is like 30 pips up there, man. Just chilling for us. Like, this money up there, you know? Why would we want to do anything else? God damn it. Come on. Don't you do it to me. Don't you just fly. No! You evil world we live in, guys. Evil world we live in. You little sneaky GU. You little sneaky child. Aren't you a little sneaky, huh? Evil world we live in. Price is definitely gonna take that buy, so let me tell you guys. That's just not gonna stand. We're definitely taking those highs up there. That's 100p. No question. Trust. We're taking those highs up there. Alright, I got news to say, guys. I took the trade. I'm sorry. I had to take it. 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 I'm sorry, guys. I didn't call it, but I had to take it. I went a little bit crazy on it, you know. I had to take it. It made sense. But there was really no entry for us. That's why I didn't call it out, because there was really no entry. Like, it was just like a shoot in the dark. Entry and stop loss? Bro, I had no stop loss. But I knew I took it too. Let's go. Let's fucking go, homies. Guys, there was no entry, bro. What do you guys want me to do? There was no entry, bro. What do you want me to do? I can't do anything about it. There was no entry. We took the sell side, but there was really no entry. You know what I mean? I was waiting for more confirmations for you guys, but, you know, I just said, fuck it, man. This shit's gonna take those highs. You guys wanna laugh? Take a look at my IG real quick. Take a look at my story. Look at my story, bro. You guys are gonna laugh. Look at my story. Definitely gonna take those highs. I'm in it too? Nice, man. Bro, what did I say, bro? I knew that she was gonna take those damn highs. Even if it dropped down like that, little sneaky, sneaky GU. Huh? This boy thought it was gonna play me. Never gonna play me. She was never gonna play me. Nah, I'm just kidding, guys. But good trade. I might take profit. Good to go. But I'm still gonna stay live because I want you guys to get some moves. So we knew that shit was gonna happen. Called that bitch. Sorry I didn't call the trade, but I saw that shit happening clear as day. God damn it. But damn, them settles are getting clapped up. God damn. Alright, but let's see what we got now, right? Because we took the buys to liquidity and we know that we're looking for sells, primarily speaking. Damn, that shit's still going. Yo, it's cold. Evil world, bro. Oh, look at EU. EU's at our POI, but no entry here. Fuck. God damn it. Oh, let's see. You know, because I can run above here, and now we can get something here to drop down lower. So let's monitor price here and see what we got. You know, this is interesting for EU. This might be the trade, guys. This might be the trade. I'm not gonna do what I did anymore. I'm not calling trades out and take it. I'm really sorry for that. That's not gonna happen again. But you know, it's just you like, come on, look at this. You know, it just we had to do it. I couldn't not take that trade. And I was in it since this one right here. So I was taking that. You know, since this order block, I was in it. So I was in 20 lots. I was in a big drawdown. You know, we're talking about like 1.8% drawdown. These are drawdowns that I'm not used to, so I was a little bit scared. But, you know, I had to be confident on that trade. So much for following the plan. I always follow the plan, bro. If you guys see, like, literally all my trades, I always follow the plan. But this one, I said, fuck it. I got kind of pissed, you know. But it's not going to happen again, guys. I promise you guys, I am a disciplined trader, right? So don't take that into assault. It will not happen again. No wonder you was quite pissed watching you in slow. Damn, yo, imagine we would have held that shit. Oh my god, bro. How many pips is that, guys? That's fucking 50 pips. Oh my lord. But no, I'll tell you guys the truth. You know, why I took that trade is because I was taking what was I taking? There was a friend that I had to take a challenge for. Like she was down a percentage, so I had to get her back to break even so she could take that retry. So that's what I was taking that trade. And that's literally the goal for it. There's always something in trading you can't explain. That's a fact, man. So now she's got that retry. Good for her. But look at that GU pop. God damn. That's nuts. Oh, look at EU. Look at the difference between EU and GU, right? So this is SMT at its finest right here. So EU has still failed to make a higher high, while GU has made, I mean, a damn white dildos. What is this, right? This higher high is a white dildo is what we got. We got gigantic push to the upside. So this is a little bit SMT here. So if price can give me a drop down lower with Euro, maybe we can be looking to start shorting price here, you know, because I'm going to keep my eyes on Euro and see what price delivers for us. Because this is still at that M5 POI with that H1 fair value gap, right? So we have context here. We have the H1 fair value gap for one. We have the M5 value gap for 2, and we have yet to still take out of Asian lows. So look at all these lows that are still chilling here. This is basically the same thing that we were targeting for GU, but on the opposite end, right? So this right here, got a nice little big eye side that we want to be getting grabbed for EU. So let's take a look at what price does here. Yes, guys, she's just a friend. Just a friend. Promise, just a friend. Look at little EU sneaky, huh? What are you guys thinking? So, when I talked about GU, you guys told me shorts. You guys said I was crazy. You guys said no way in hell we're going up higher. So, what do you guys think now for EU since I'm crazy? Are we going to go higher? Are we going to go lower? What are we thinking, guys? What is price doing at this M5 FVG POI that we have on? What do you guys think we're gonna happen now that price is doing these type of formations here? Do we go higher? Do we go lower? What is price gonna do with EU, guys? Let me get some answers here. Took home more pips. Let's go. Look what's happening here, guys. What is happening here? What do we have here, my good friends? What do we have here? What do we have here at this POI? I absolutely love it. So, we got M5 POI, right? Mitigation right here. And what do we have right there? What do we have right here to the T right there, right? What does that look like to you guys? Looks very interesting. What do you guys think this is right here? Let me know. So, we're going to monitor price here, but I think I'm going to take the sell right here as well. So, little 3.47, we're going to be targeting the lows right down here. And that'll be it from the sells we'll be taking. So, I'll be having, this is my last trade for the day. If this is stop loss, I will not be trading it. I want to see price drop lower yet. I'm not going to take it till price drops lower first. And you're going to see a little bit more confirmations here. But just have context behind this trade. So, I want to see a little bit of a bigger decline. And why is that? So when I'm looking at price, I want to be looking to sell at a discount. So we're not yet at a premium, right? Sorry, I won't sell at a premium. We're still at a discount here. So take this off, take this off, take this off, take this off, this off. It's not a sell yet because we are not at, like I said, a premium. So we're not looking to take that just yet. Price can drop lower here, but we're back to our how do you call it? Disciplined ways, right? So if you guys are not disciplined, take this sell, but me, I'm a disciplined trader, apart from the last trade. So I will not be participating in this sell with you guys until we are below at a discount. I mean premium, sorry. Do you live stream New York session? I do, but with my students. Damn, that's clean, brother. I saw it, bro. That was fucking clean. Bro, I want us to drop down below to a premium. And then we can maybe be looking to sell back up. So I need price to drop down lower here. Continue dropping. And then once we are down at a discount, I would want price to come back above that. So a little bit lower here. I would prefer to drop down here. A little bit lower. Like maybe down to here. That would be beautiful right here. If we drop down to here, I'll be just amazed. And I'll be looking for price to come back up to that, and then I'll take the sell there. So I'm probably targeting these lows here. Price can drop down more. Right now we're still not yet at a premium. So not catching my eye just yet. Damn, bro, I gotta fucking sleep, man. Fuck. I have to wake up tomorrow for New York to train my students. Dude, last New York session, like I said, yes, learning out today, bro. What time is your daily session? I'll be training with you guys every London session, that's for sure. But with my students, I gotta trade with them New York session. Not gonna lie, bro. I saw that Head and Shoulders and took the sell all the way down. Interesting. You was looking for the buy afterward. Good eye. I appreciate you, man. I was looking for the sell in the beginning, but once we printed those highs, that was inevitable that we're gonna take those equal highs. I mean, it was just inevitable. Even though we took that loss in the beginning, it's a part of the journey, you know. And it was my fault for being inconsistent and taking that buy there. But it's like I've been in the game a lot, and I see shit that's like, why did price drop down like this? It shouldn't be doing this. We should take those highs. So once it did that, you know, I was like, I'm willing to take this risk. I'm willing to take this risk on knowing that if I take this loss, it's completely on me. But I don't want to put you guys through that loss. You get me? If I would have taken that loss, it would have been completely on me. And I wouldn't want to put you guys through two losses, especially when that first move should have hit take profit. Because that first move that we took, it should have realistically hit take profit because we had a confirmation for it. We had the M5 rally gap. We had those equal highs printed. And we can see how, you know, the manipulation happened. And that's the part of Forex pairs that we're going to get majority of the time, manipulation. So, you know, when price does that type of setup there and it doesn't, it takes a stop loss and I'm taking that risk air bide at the bottom, and that's on me. But it shouldn't be something that you guys are taking as well because I'm here to help you guys, you know. So I don't want to be, I took that buy on myself, you know, knowing that if I would hit stop loss, that's my risk, but still having concept that those highs should get taken. But that's that. So again, this now goes to being disciplined. You guys see EU, it did print for us levels that we could have taken that sell, but it's not clean enough, right? Why is it not clean enough? Because it's not yet at a discount. I mean, at a premium, right? It's fairly still stuck at these levels where you don't want to be taking that sell just yet. So now price is getting scary, and why I didn't tell you guys again not to take that sell here. If it drops on lower, fine, but not our type of trade. I just texted you buys above about 4 hours ago. Entry 1.195, stop loss and 1.2p. What do you think about moving stop loss to break even? Damn, you're in that fucking buy. I wouldn't be too content on taking buys here, just because of Asian session lows and the way price is moving. I'll be more focused on the sells, to be honest. You know, the buys were temporarily, just take these highs above. No, I like this. I don't mind this. This could be that first mitigation though. So we'll keep our eye on this. What do you guys on, man? I think I'm gonna call it at night. Should I call it at night? What do you guys think? I don't know if I want to trade. I gotta sleep, bro. Honestly, I gotta sleep. But I want to take a trade for you guys. But fuck, man. What can you do in these conditions now? Prices moved a lot this London stream, you know? I think it's gonna be a setup very shortly. I think so too. Let's see. Alright, guys. Look at my Instagram, bro. Look at my Instagram and the post that I did. I'm not bullshitting over here, bro. Look at that. That's how we do it. Real quick. Alright, guys. I'm tired, bro. I gotta wake up tomorrow for New York. I'll see you guys in New York. I don't really like anything right now. You know, kind of choppy. If I was looking for anything, I would be targeting these lows. Hold me accountable for these. You know, price should probably grab these lows, so hold me accountable for that. And I will see you guys later. Peace out, homie Jesus. Safe trading. Do not over leverage. do not do what I did. Do not take trades out of the blue. And I'll see you guys later, alright? Peace.